What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Citywide.Kb, and I'm coming back with another video. And today, I have the 2006 Acura TL test drive and POV. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop into the video.
I can't ride up in no charge. Got the wheel like Jimmy Johnson. I can't go like Paul Walker. We take engine 3.2 at the TL. It's gonna offer.
If you are new here or new on my channel, or just new to the TL game in general, you know this thing boasts pretty resounding and pretty, I wouldn't say vigilant, because that honestly don't make no goddamn sense, but a pretty goddamn stout V6. We got the 3.2 with the 5-speed auto transmission. I mean, I did my tweaks to it. I need to tune the transmission, but I don't know how I can because it's old technology. It's probably gonna be pretty much it for the walk around though. Don't mind that. Yeah, I'm just gonna close that, but don't mind it. Nice little goddamn warm start. That bitch sound like a goddamn vacuum cleaner, gang. I can't hold it. So first thing first, we probably just gonna get this 0 to 60 out of the way. Just because there's no traffic, there's no anything. We're at 0, 3, 2, 1. That was a terrible launch. Jesus, 60. Maybe I need to change those plugs, huh? Yeah, though, man, it's a nice, smooth little drive, though, man. I'm just gonna take y'all on the highway. I'm not gonna do too much, if any, city driving, because the city mileage on this is not the best. And also, it is currently, well, a little bit after rush hour. Oh, shit. Come on, bitch. It's a little bit after rush hour. So it still might be a little bit of scragglers still left on the road, all them big trucks. I ain't trying to get in the middle of all that. I'm trying to at least have a little bit of goddamn footage for y'all young boys. But what I do know is, if you are looking to get in one of this car, man, just go ahead and get one. You probably didn't watch all 5 of my videos on this car, dog. Just go ahead and get you one. You know you like it. You know it look good. You know it's fast.
Cap.
Okay, it may not be too fast, but it'll get out of its way. And on some more shit, hold on, let me turn my lights on. And on some more shit though, you do the right things to it, my dog. Get the bitch at wet. I'm talking about wet. Damn, they look like an undercover. But as far as the cargo itself, I am on a little bit of thicker tires, so I don't feel too much of the road. But from stock, they come with low profile tires, 45mm sidewall tires. The closer you are to the ground, the more you are gonna feel it. Especially for the daily setup, I went with a little bit more comfortability. Cause in some bumps, I honestly don't feel them with these tires, but with the low profile tires, dog, it's like the whole road is a bump. I can feel the little tiny gravels in between the motherfucking asphalt. It's like, dog, okay, it's not that serious, but you get what I'm saying. God damn, these potholes are shit. These motherfuckers can't drive. But like I was saying though, man, there is really no, how can I put this? It's not really much road noise in here. It has the comfortability of riding like a crossover, but at the same time, the quickness of a, I wouldn't say a coupe, because some coupes are slow as fuck. But it got peppiness to it, and it got the practicality. So if you are in the market for one of these cars, man, it's a no-brainer. If Acura would have come out with something not like the LFA, but the RCF, or something like the ISF Coupe, man, plugs, I just need to go. There's another Cybertruck, nigga. I've been seeing those motherfuckers frequently lately. It's like my third one I done seen today. It's like them bitches is coming like the new goddamn new body Supra. Them bitches just like Camrys. You see them bitches everywhere. Bro, these ceramics are touchy. I'm still getting used to them. I don't know. I've been having a little bit of a hesitation. Ooh, speed check. Speed check. But I've been having a little bit of a hesitation if it'll get warmer, like the temperature outside will get a little bit warmer. I want to say above 85, 90 degrees. It kind of like holding its power back. If that kind of makes sense in a way, somewhat, hopefully, sort of. But I don't know if it's my plugs or my fluid needs to be changed. I don't know if y'all know what that is or dealt with it before, but if y'all know what that is or heard of something familiar to that, help a nigga out. Hopefully. Ooh, shaking like a stripper. Bro, I know my goddamn brake rotors can't be fucking warped already. I replaced them not even 3 fucking months ago. I don't want to go big brake kit this soon because I'm going to have to spend more money and hope it works. Because you can do the big brake kit up front, but in the rear, it's a little bit more tricky because you got to use the Nismo 350Z. Nah, the Nismo 370Z rear calipers that are Brembo. And you have to buy either a custom mount for it, and those are not cheap. And you might as well, since you're in there, put steel braided brake lines in there, because you got all the way around Brembos. Might as the fuck well. Don't do it. Don't do it. That big ass motor home on wheels. Can I hit it? Can I hit it? Yeah, I can hit it. Brother, this car rides very smooth, very low to little wind noise, if any. You got side curtain airbags. Like, what? They did that in 2006? Yup. I almost goddamn deployed them on camera right there, but we ain't gonna do that. So like I was saying with the fan though, it's an aftermarket fan, but don't mind it though. Don't mind that fan. It's blowing, it's doing its job, keeping me nice and cool. But hold on, let me step back a little bit. But yeah though, other than that though, man, it's probably gonna be a wrap for today's video. If y'all did like the video, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications on too. And while we here, go ahead and send this video to a friend, because I know they got a TL or a Honda, or they like cars. Just go ahead and do it for me and for them and for you, my boy. It's a win-win-win out this motherfucker. So it's been your boy Citywide.Kb, and I'ma catch y'all when I catch y'all.
Bye, have a great time.
And I'm a big dog like a K9. I done find out why they hate now. They thought I ain't had what it take.
So I'ma rub this shit in they face now.